Today is our annual Career and Internship Fair, where we are hosting over 70 employers who are here seeking students, community job seekers, and offering them many opportunities from internships, part-time jobs, full-time, seasonal jobs. All types of opportunities are available to students. We have opportunities from employers in manufacturing and healthcare, in local government.
You're traveling all over the hospital, you're taking patients to testing, you're taking rehab.
We have over 13 hospitals in the Chicagoland area. We've had great success hiring College of DuPage students. We enjoy hiring a large number of your nursing students, your physical therapy assistant students, and your surgical tech students, in addition to others.
I came to the career fair today to kind of build a bit of networking and learn about internship opportunities that I didn't know were available to me.
Well, I went up to the display and I saw a couple of products that matched some of my previous experience. I gave her my resume and she was very impressed, and I'm just really looking forward, and I hope I get a response from her.
All of my students have a LinkedIn profile ready, so I encourage all of them to take advantage of the LinkedIn picture opportunity here at the career fair so that they can take that photo and just add a little bit more of a professional picture to their LinkedIn profile. So we talk about creating a resume, creating a cover letter, coming dressed professionally, having your LinkedIn ready, because you never know what opportunities are going to come about at the career fair. Having all of those pieces in place are really important for students so that they don't miss out on an opportunity.
You kind of need to really know what it is that you're looking for. So to walk up and just say, what do you have, really doesn't tell me that you're interested in the Arboretum. But come up and tell me, I have an interest in natural areas or landscape management or horticulture or plant breeding. And then we can really get into a dialogue about how we can help you. Do a little bit of homework to know who we are and what we are, and if you can interact and connect with us on a little bit more deeper level, it'll make you stand out a little bit more.
If a student missed the Career and Internship Fair today, we can help them get connected to local employers. We have employers on campus 4 days a week who are recruiting for open positions all year long. We can help students with those career preparation materials if they need it. So a resume, helping them with a mock interview, or perhaps even getting a LinkedIn profile set up. Ideally, a student will find an internship here at the College of DuPage Career and Internship Fair and then come back to us in maybe 6 months and be able to tell us that they got a full-time opportunity offer from their employer that they were working with. If it didn't work out at that internship, maybe a student will come back and ask us for some job-seeking help, or maybe return to another career fair in the future looking for a full-time opportunity. But doing that internship is a great first step to getting started in their professional life.